Welcome fellas into this new video of TechExpress. So if you wanted to install the Claude AI, I'm going to be focusing into making this element really fast. So let's do it right away. So the first thing I wanted to do and focused on is into getting started with the Claude. I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to type Claude, and inside here we have the Claude AI. So Claude AI is going to be asking you to sign in. If you already signed in, you should be seeing something like this. If you wanted to download the Claude directly into your actual Windows computer, the official desktop application is going to be much more faster, more keyboard shortcuts, and introduces the Claude cowork, allowing the artificial intelligence to actually interact with your local files and applications. This might be sounding a little bit discouraging, but still it actually does a really great work. So let's see how we can actually get started. To download the official installer, inside here we're going to focus for the left section. It says get applications and extensions. Here you can see that there's more about the Claude, and usually it says desktop download for actual Windows. So when you hit for download, you can see the download is going to appear directly inside the left section. If you didn't see that element, you don't have to worry about that. Let's open any tab. Let's go for Claude and let's hit over for download. This will be sending you directly into the element that says Claude download. So when I click directly inside here, you have the official page of the downloadable element for Claude. So you can download this for your Windows, you can download this for the ARM64, you can download this for the mobile, or whatever you're actually aiming for. So in my case, I will stick around only for the Windows version. I hit over for download, and here to the upper side, I just click directly here into my setup. So I click directly inside here. It's going to pop up this new installation element. So what I need to do now is just to wait about a minute, and once this one is not being correctly done, I recommend pinning this to your taskbar immediately for quick access. So if you're using an actual Mac, you want to open the DMG file, I believe, and instead of double click, you just need to drag and drop into your applications folder, and you will need to grant accessibility permissions into the system settings if you want to use the agentic features later. Now, the real changer here is that if you focus directly into, let's say, the downloads, you can see that here we have more stuff that you can download. By enabling these extensions, for example, you allow the desktop application to read your project file. No more manual uploading. Just ask Claude to analyze the last spreadsheet into your downloads folder. And if your device, let's say the developer mode, click the new code tab. This launches the integrated environment where Claude can run terminal commands like test and locally. So basically, this is just like a really easy way of how you can actually download Claude. This might be taking a little bit more than I thought, so I'm gonna be leaving you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. We have now reached 100,000 followers into our channel, so thank you so much for sticking around for us. We will keep doing videos like this every day, so thank you for sticking around for us. We will stick around for you guys. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we can see you all next time.